Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I created this illusion of a neon glowing sign with paint. So first what you want to do is load up your canvas with black paint and try not to get it all over the floor like I did. So once you have your canvas all loaded up with black paint, you're going to start sketching your stencil, whatever you want to draw. It could be a cactus, it could be a flower. And in my case, I'm erasing what I drew and fixing it because, you know, art is full of happy mistakes. Once you have an outline that you like, you can take your Posca pen. I have a purple Posca pen, and I'm going to start filling in a thin line, tracing the whole cactus. So after you've traced your entire cactus, you're going to want to take it outside and start the spray painting process.
Oh my god, I'm nervous. It's okay, if I mess up, I can always just fix it.
Just do it, man.
So the technique that I'm using to get that glow look is basically I'm just keeping the spray paint can about 3 inches from the canvas and lightly dusting, tracing the entire cactus. I don't know why I decided to do this in the middle of the night when it was pitch black. The light kept turning off outside and I had to jump around and make sure that the light was on. It was so annoying.
I'm done.
Huh?
Yes.
That looks great.
So what I just did was I went in with my lighter color Posca pen and I did a lighter shade going all throughout the middle to make it look just a little bit brighter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my white and I'm going to do one thin line of white running all along the cactus. How I made these stencils so perfect. No, I did not freehand them. I actually made some, I printed out the actual Louis Vuitton logo and I traced them on some transfer paper and I used the transfer paper to line up where I wanted all my little symbols to go, and I used these to help me get an even and clean look for every single piece of the logo. And there you have it, everybody. After you do your line right through the middle of it all, your white line, you have your glowing neon sign made of paint. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more.